Look at that stabilization. It's great. What's up, YouTube? We've got some new gear here that's gonna help us make some awesome new super smooth videos. We've got a new stabilizer, so let's check it out and see what's in the box. Like any good unboxing video, be super careful when you open this thing up. All right, looks like we've got some kind of case. Fits some kind of round object. And it looks like we have the Noir Matter Quark stabilizer. This is a small little stabilizer that I hope to use with my GoPro 7, and hopefully it should result in some super smooth footage. So let's check it out. All right, so let's get a better look here. So we've got the case here. Whoops. It's got a little surprise carabiner in there, and the stabilizer should fit right in there. And the stabilizer should be in here. Let's get started. Mount, capture, capture. Maintenance. So many manuals. Got a little GoPro-like mount here. Got a little screw, another screw, USB cable, and this is the stabilizer. Some nice foam, but that's all. So this is it. This is the Noir Matter stabilizer. It's super compact, so I guess you can just mount a selfie stick here or some kind of mount, and then the GoPro will sit here and it will stabilize this way. The GoPro has excellent stabilization, but there's no horizontal stabilization, so it'll be interesting to see how this helps with that. So the GoPro is gonna sit right inside like that. This is gonna screw in just like so. And there you go. That's super slick. It's pretty lightweight. It's about 140 grams or so, and we can probably just mount it here on the end of a selfie stick. We'll try that later. And it's got a waterproof level of IP66, so you could probably get wet, but you wouldn't want to submerge this fully. As far as the battery goes, it says it has a 3-hour lifespan and it takes 1 hour to charge. So 3 hours isn't super long, so I'm not sure it would hold up for an entire group ride. Should be good enough to get some pretty cool shots. My main concern is that you can't see what's on the screen with the GoPro when you're using this. And I always have difficulty trusting my GoPro to know if it's really recording or not. I guess I'll just have to listen to the beeps to see if it's recording. All right, and that's all it really is. Let's charge this guy up and we'll take it on some tests in a little bit here once it's fully charged up. Maybe we'll jog with it and compare the stabilization with and without this thing, because it looks pretty slick right here. I wonder if it fits with the GoPro in the case. That's pretty nice. And so to charge this thing up, we just open this little compartment here, and there's a spot for a little micro USB here. So we're just gonna plug that in. The light turns green, that means it's charging, and when it turns off, that means we're fully charged. So we'll let this sit for a while and come back when it's fully charged. So we've got the stabilizer now attached to the GoPro on a selfie stick. And to turn it on, we just hold the power button down. Makes a little noise. And then when it's on, look at that stabilization. It's great. So that's pretty cool. Kind of see how that works. So now we should have full horizontal stabilization, and we'll do some tests with it now. Overall, I am super excited for this stabilizer. I think it's gonna be really cool for both EUC and scooter videos. I'll mount the stabilizer on the scooter, or I'll film using it. So we'll get rid of basically any left and right roll. It'll be pretty sweet. And hopefully our videos just keep getting better and better. So let's try some carving here now to see how this works out. So we'll flip this around. So there's carving with the stabilizer, and now we'll turn off the stabilizer and try the same thing basically. So that was shot without the stabilizer, so now let's put those side by side and see what the difference is. So one cool thing about the stabilizer is that it stabilizes in basically 360 degrees. So I can just rotate the selfie stick all the way around the camera and it's still gonna work. That's pretty cool. I can just do circles with it. All right, so we're gonna show you guys how to do a time lapse now with the stabilizer. So we're gonna loosen this up Normally you'd want to make this flat, but I don't have the right kind of tripod mount to actually allow for that. But we'll try it like this to see if it works. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn it to the point where we want to end at. Turn it on, then we'll press the button twice and turn it to where we want to start from. Hold it for 10 seconds. It's not time-lapsing. So yeah, overall I'm pretty satisfied with this Quark stabilizer. I think it's pretty cool. I am a bit disappointed in the time-lapse feature though. The usability of it is just not very good. I haven't figured out how to get it to work. So I kind of feel like I got ripped off a little bit. Overall, I think this will help me bridge the gap between a GoPro and the ease of use of a 360-degree camera like my Rilo, while keeping the high quality of the GoPro 7. Hopefully shooting with this stabilizer is pretty sweet and we get some really awesome footage for you all. I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe and let's ride.